mid-century modern airs, I really need to bring better lighting to this whole video thing I do with y'all. Today is February 15th. I am getting better about checking the date before I jump onto these videos because, again, I sometimes have no idea what day it is, especially when things are starting to hustle out there on the real estate world because, again, everything started off just bonkers way early. So hold on tight. I think 2020 is going to be a crazy year in the real estate world for Denver and probably most of the major markets too. Anyway, checking in on the project here in Harvey Park, the customer I've been checking in with you all about for the fix and flip that I'm doing. And I hate calling it the fix and flip because I really just rehab them best I can to actually make them good. Technically I'm fix and flipping. Anyway, rambling. Let me show you and flip this thing around so you can see what we've done. We are about a week and a half to 2 weeks from closing, which is crazy. So I want to give you kind of an update on where things are and go from there. All right, thanks. Okay, so instantly it probably should look different. The floors are getting done this weekend. Again, it's February 15th, so Saturday and Sunday. They will get done tomorrow with the staining. It's gonna be a darker color, kind of like the wall that's over there, which we'll get back to. But as you can see over here, which I'm stoked about, the windows, all but one of this wall is in now. So these are now the double pane windows, not the single pane that was originally there. And I finally figured out a method to make it cost effective to double paint it with keeping the original style of what's here. So I'm a happy camper for that. Looking over to here, haven't been done yet, but again, I have all the windows for it. The kitchen looks like a hot mess because we take everything off the floor and put it into here. But as you can see, this will be the cabinet color. Okay, sorry for the break in the video once these are finally edited. If you catch that, Kit is here and he just started up the car, and so the Bluetooth kicked on, and so the phone thought we were going somewhere, and lo and behold, the video stopped. Anyway, fixed the problem. So again, these are cork floors, which are actually recycled cork stoppers for wine, which I think is cool. And they actually used to use cork floors in the mid-century world, so happy to have those. These are the Big Chill appliances. It'll be here with that coloring. And there's the backsplash along the wall. There's the fridge. It'll go in that back left corner. Back right corner will be a pantry. You can see all of the white has been added, plus the accent color of the gray, which will continue outside. And actually, I have a picture of what the outside looks like. They're starting to paint it, and it is sweet. That's the coloring of it, and it actually looks really, really good. Client picked that one out, and it's very close to the color of the appliances. So anyway, here's again, this is just this part that we left that I am in love with. Heading down the hallway, again, you can see the floors are coming to life, which I'm stoked about. There's the vanity, the toilet, the floor, the walls pretty much done, the new windows in, just need the last little tile work. Here's this room, waiting on the window to go in. We'll have all new double pane windows for the house. This room, I'm actually really excited about. Found some kind of mid-century fun, funky colors, again at Habitat, which I love because, again, it's stuff that's already been produced and we don't have to buy new stuff that is being reproduced, essentially. So it's keeping stuff alive that was already there and repurposing it. Tankless water heater is in. That is where the washer dryer is going to go. It's going to be one of the small Bosch ones. We worked with the buyer on that to make sure it was a good fit for in this space. But there'll be a nice door here, and it'll actually work out really, really well for kind of the how the room will look and be usable. It'll be storage space. It could be a pantry, the washer and dryer room, broom closet. It's going to be a good spot. This room obviously hasn't changed too much. Nothing was going to go on here much in general. This is actually really fun. So the clients had a light for me that they wanted me to put up. So it's going to hang from the ceiling up here. And I'm excited about that for them. I know I use all these silly verbs to adjectives to describe everything, but I am excited, so. This is the giant master closet. The 2 lights, the 3 lights. So it'll be a great, huge, fantastical closet, which I'm very happy about. And I know the clients will love it because you have a giant closet that you don't usually get in the mid-century era. This one, I can't remember if I've shown you yet, but I'm so excited. This is the pink retro bathroom. That is the original pink bath, or toilet. It wasn't here in this house, but I picked it up from salvage, another project. The original, not for this house, but in general, an original vanity. So happy about that one. Sorry, the medicine cabinet over the vanity, and that is the vanity. It's going to be the kind of chrome peg-legged one that'll freestand there, and that's obviously the shower that'll be there. This is the master. You're gonna have 2 new windows there. This new set is in. That will be replaced with a full glass door, so it can go out appropriately, but the windows have been obviously updated and replaced to double pane. So I'm very happy with how this is coming along. I'm turning these lights off as we head on out. But there's your kind of walkthrough of what the progress looks like. And I will be checking back in next time I'm here to look over everything. All right, thanks, bye.